the important question. What is IELTS? Those who are going to jump into IELTS, they need to know IELTS is an international English language testing system. When we judge the level of language, we have to judge four skills: speaking, listening, reading, and writing. Yeah. Similarly, there are four modules in IELTS. Those students who want to go abroad, those Jobians are the people who want to settle abroad and want to apply for immigration purposes. They have to do IELTS.
So, well, another important question is what is different between academic and general training hours?
Well, academic IELTS, as the word suggests, academic refers towards studies. So it means it is for students. Those students who want to score admission in foreign universities, they have to appear in IELTS academic tests. And those people who want to apply for immigration purposes, or they want to settle abroad in any way, they want to apply for Jobian visa, they have to do IELTS general training. The significant difference comes in two skills of IELTS between IELTS academic and IELTS general training. And that difference is in reading tasks and writing tasks. Both speaking and listening are equal.
Well, another important question is student thinks why arts is difficult.
Well, I would say practice makes any person perfect. If you do practice, nothing is difficult. And if you don't do practice, then it can be challenging. I won't say it's difficult, but challenging. And we are the people who have to face the challenges and move ahead. With practice, proper guidelines, tips and techniques, knowing the pattern and format of IELTS can make you master. IELTS requires language skills, especially English speaking language skills, and skills are improved with our continuous practice.